Why modern men feel lost. Men today have more comfort than ever before, but feel more empty than ever. And that's not an accident. Most men wake up, check their phones, scroll for hours, consume nonstop dopamine, and repeat the same cycle every day. No real purpose, no direction, just distraction. Social media destroyed attention, modern entertainment destroyed discipline, and comfort destroyed ambition. Years ago, men had to struggle to survive. Now, most people are overstimulated, under-disciplined, and mentally exhausted before the day even starts. And the scary part is, most men don't even realize it's happening. They think they're lazy, but in reality, their brains are being hijacked every single day. Cheap dopamine is everywhere. Short videos, gaming, porn, notifications, endless scrolling. And every hit makes real life feel more boring. That's why motivation disappears. That's why focus feels impossible. That's why so many men feel lost. Because modern life rewards distraction, not purpose. But the moment a man learns to control his attention, everything changes. Discipline returns. Focus returns. Purpose returns. Most men will never escape this cycle, but the few who do become dangerous. Tell me honestly, do you think modern life is making people mentally weaker? Comment what you think.